The MacTutor History of Mathematics suggests that the Akkadians invented the abacus somewhere between 2300 BC and 2100 BC. Historians call this the Old Akkadian period, and the next period, Ur III, saw the development of sexagesimal place value notation. But perhaps sexagesimal place value notation and the counting board developed together, each complementing the other. The Old Babylonian period was next, and saw the production of many math tablets. But perhaps these tablets were just the answers to practice exercises assigned to counting board abacus students, like find and tabulate the squares of 2 through 59, or find and tabulate the reciprocals of 2 through 59, or use the method of rectangular modification to find the diagonal length and side multiplier of a square with side 1/2, or 30. The result of the last one, of course, was the Yale tablet YBC 7289 around 1700 BC, a method later recorded by Heron to find square roots, what we call Heron's method. Some historians don't believe the old Babylonians used counting boards. Rather, they used tables of squares and reciprocals and used formulas to do their calculations. So let's see how you would proceed using this method. Here you see the expansion of partial products of a product of two 5-digit sexagesimal numbers. You can throw away the insignificant terms that are in red, but you still have 19 products to calculate using the formula. Half the time the sum a plus b will be greater than 1, so you have some additional calculations to do. On average, the calculation of each product would require 2 additions, 2 table lookups, half a doubling, 2 subtractions, and 2 halvings. Combining the 19 products would require another 18 additions, being very careful to add into the proper place value. In all, you'd have a total of 178 operations. How the heck would you keep track of all this in cuneiform using reeds to write on clay tablets? Remember, you don't have any paper or pencils. How many errors would you make? How would you verify your result? So I would challenge those that don't believe the old Babylonians used counting boards to set up a studio and start with only a vat of clay, a bunch of reeds, a bronze knife, and sharpening stone. Have some people bring you clay and reeds as needed. Using just these, create a library of cuneiform math table tablets your way, but you can't use a counting board, paper, pen, modern calculator, or memory of modern addition or multiplication tables. Use your math table tablets to calculate the square root of 2 as you think the Babylonians did, in cuneiform, but to the precision on the Yale tablet YBC 7289. Record all of this on video and publicly publish it on the internet so we can all watch. How long is your video? My video is 25 minutes, and I'm a rank beginner abacist. With practice, speeds approaching a Sorbonne master may be possible. Note that I use no addition or multiplication tables, physical or memorized, only pebbles and lines in the sand. I believe the ancient Greeks sculpted the Salamis tablet in stone as a monument to the technology. They copied a Babylonian counting board abacus design, which the Sumerians and Old Babylonians developed from an original Akkadian invention. Old Babylonian counting board abacus design was copied and used by many ancient peoples, the Minoans, the Greeks, the Egyptians, the Romans, etc. The Salamis tablet inspired Archimedes to invent exponents and write the sand reckoner. Ancient Chinese copied the Roman hand abacus, the Romans and Chinese traded on the Silk Road, and adapted it into the swan pen. The Japanese copied and adapted the swan pen back into the Roman hand abacus and called it the Sorbonne.